Many clients often ask us a common question: why does the machine work normally when frequently washing small-sized glass, but fails to achieve thorough washing when encountering large-sized glass? The core reason for this phenomenon is closely related to the usage characteristics of the brush rollers. When the machine continuously processes small glass, the bottom of the brush rollers remains relatively clean due to constant contact with the glass surface, while the upper part of the brush rollers, which exceeds the height of small glasses, stays in an idle state for a long time, gradually accumulating stubborn stains such as dust and adhesive residues. When washing large glasses, these dirt particles attached to the upper brush rollers will come into contact with the glass surface as the rollers rotate, significantly reducing the washing effect. Therefore, before handling large glass washing tasks, we recommend performing pre-treatment maintenance on the brush rollers. First, safety operation of shutdown and power off. Turn off the power of the washing machine and ensure the machine stops completely to avoid accidents during maintenance. Second, segmented brush washing. For the upper a-third area of the brush rollers, the part that has not contacted small glass for a long time, use a high-pressure water gun with neutral detergent for flushing, focusing on removing dust deposits and dried adhesive marks. 3. Idle running test. After washing, start the machine and let the brush rollers idle for 2-3 minutes to ensure the detergent and sewage are completely discharged. 4. Pre-washing detection of the first glass. Before formally washing large glass, use a piece of waste glass for pre-washing testing to observe whether the brush washing status meets the standards. Through this operation process of pre-treatment plus targeted washing, not only can the problem of incomplete washing of large glasses be solved, but also the overall service life of the brush rollers can be extended. Practical data shows that machines with regular zoned maintenance of brush rollers can increase the qualified rate of large glass washing to over 98%, while extending the brush replacement cycle by approximately 30%. It is recommended that operators establish a maintenance ledger for switching between washing small and large glasses, and incorporate brush washing into the standard operation process to ensure the washing quality of glass products from detailed aspects.
For free machine selection solutions.